Welcome to Real English Talk, where you learn real, natural English for real-life conversations. I'm really happy you're here today. If you're watching this video right now, it means you want to improve your English. And more importantly, you want to speak English more naturally. Today's lesson is a very important one. Today, we're going to talk about how to train your brain to speak English naturally. This is a big topic, but don't worry, it's not difficult. And yes, it can actually be fun. Many English learners around the world have the same experience. When you want to speak English, you don't speak immediately. First, you think in your own language. Then, you translate in your head. And after that, you finally speak in English. This process feels slow. Your brain is very busy. You stop, you wait, you translate. And because of that, speaking English starts to feel stressful. Sometimes you know the answer, but the words don't come out. Sometimes you feel nervous. Sometimes you feel blocked. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Our goal is different. Our goal is not to translate. Our goal is to think in English. When you think in English, speaking becomes faster, more natural, and more confident. So the big question is, how do we train our brain to think in English? The answer is simple. We start small, very, very small. Tip number 1, think in small sentences. Many learners try to think in single words. For example, pen, coffee, phone, car. But one word is not enough. Real English is not single words. Real English is sentences. Instead of thinking only pen, think, this is my pen, or my pen is blue. These sentences are small, but they are very powerful. In the morning, when you wake up, think, I am awake, I am tired, I am hungry, I want coffee. When you walk to the kitchen, think, I open the door, I take a cup, I pour water, the coffee smells good. When you brush your teeth, think, I brush my teeth, the water is cold, I see my face in the mirror. When you go outside, think, it is a sunny day. It is hot, I see a red car, a man is walking his dog. You are not translating. You are connecting English directly to your real life, and this is the secret. Tip number 2, input, English in. Input means English goes into your brain through your ears and your eyes. When you listen to easy English, your brain starts to learn patterns, the rhythm, the flow, the natural music of English. Music is also a great form of input. Simple English songs, especially songs you enjoy. Watching is also very important. Choose videos about topics you already like. If you like cooking, you'll hear sentences like, I cut the tomato, I add salt, I cook the food. If you like sports, you'll hear sentences like, he kicks the ball, it is a goal, the team is happy. Tip number 3, output, English out. You don't need a partner to start. You can talk to yourself. This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. The table is brown. You can also talk about your day. Today, I was busy. I worked. I ate lunch. I am tired but happy. Tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input. Tip 3, output. Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to your brain. English grows with practice, not with pressure. Relax. Enjoy the process. Keep going. Before we finish, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Real English Talk. Leave a comment below and tell me, what do you do to train your brain in English? Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.